light's always here. It's just acknowledgement. The light has come. The light's already here. It's always been here. Can't do anything about not being the light. It's impossible not to be light. It's absolutely possible. Ask Jesus, is it possible in any way, shape, or form not to be light? Even if I stack up every tinker toy of the world, am I still the light? He says, but if you believe a single tinker toy is real, you will suffer. You think one teeny tiny, but what about this little tinker toy? You know, that's what Jesus, how about this little tinker toy? We like to bargain with Jesus about our little tinker toys. The little death game. The little game of, see, Jesus doesn't play that. He just says, look, you're infinite. What do you need another tinker toy of this world for? Because you're everything. You're manufacturing all the tinker toys. Ask him. Jesus, it's really hilarious. I'll look over at something just and say, Jesus, he never tells me different. I'm manufacturing this phone right here. And he goes, yep. You can, as he says in, I think it's chapter 16 that we just read. Yeah. Consciousness manufactures an unlimited number of tinker toys. It's a tinker toy manufacturing plant. Well, no, there's another one and a bird and it's just all pouring out of the play in consciousness. And that's the shark. We talk about the shark coming out, and it's hunting for something to own out of all of consciousness. Like if you sit back one day and just look at the display. Now it's quite a display out there. Infinite mountain. We got our mountain out there. Got a lake. It's beautiful. Birds flying across nonstop. Gorgeous, gorgeous. You'll see everything is stunning. And then here goes consciousness. Well, we talked about the phone, it'll focus on that just one thing. Jesus is trying to take my phone away or whatever it is, And you just see how that's like a spiral into hell right there. For the desired experience of being owned by objects. It's total confusion that we own objects. We want to be owned by objects. So we can feel like an object. It's Jesus. And ask him, Jesus, do I like that play of being owned by objects? It's very humbling when he says, yep. It's just helpful to be reminded that infinite light of being, the only thing that we share, doesn't know what an object is. Doesn't know what an object is. Unknown. So we don't know what objects either. Those are just concepts that we like to play with. They're little paper tigers. We like to fold thoughts and build little origami things out of them, Another little paper tiger here. And decorate the tree with them. Just keep them as Christmas decorations, but don't make them real. That's what Jesus says. Amen to that, Jesus. I give all idea of sacrifice concept over to you. Amen.